Q8325. When are outboard ailerons normally used? A. Low-speed flight only. B. High-speed flight only. C. Low-speed and high-speed flight. The correct answer is A. In some aircraft configurations, particularly those with multiple sets of ailerons, outboard ailerons may be primarily designed for low-speed flight conditions. They can provide increased roll control effectiveness and maneuverability during low-speed operations, such as takeoff and landing. However, it's important to note that the usage of outboard ailerons may vary depending on the specific aircraft design and configuration. Some aircraft may utilize outboard ailerons for both low-speed and high-speed flight, while others may have different control surfaces or mechanisms to enhance roll control at high speeds. Therefore, while the answer low-speed flight only can be applicable in certain cases, it may not be universally true for all aircraft. The usage of outboard ailerons can vary based on the aircraft design and its intended flight envelope. Q8342. Why do some airplanes equipped with inboard-outboard ailerons use the outboards for slow flight only? A. Increased surface area provides greater controllability with flap extension. B. Aerodynamic loads on the outboard ailerons tend to twist the wingtips at high speeds. C. Locking out the outboard ailerons in high-speed flight provides variable flight control feel. The correct answer is B. At high speeds, aerodynamic stresses on the outboard ailerons have a tendency to twist the wingtips. This causes enough deformation to cancel out the impact of aileron deflection and produce rolling moments in the opposite direction of the directive. Outboard ailerons are therefore only utilized for sluggish flight. Q8332. What is a purpose of flight spoilers? A. Increase the camber of the wing. B. Reduce lift without decreasing airspeed. C. Direct airflow over the top of the wing at high angles of attack. The correct answer is B. Flight spoilers, also known as speed brakes or dive brakes, are used to increase drag and reduce lift on an aircraft without significantly affecting airspeed. When deployed, flight spoilers disrupt the smooth airflow over the wings, creating turbulence and increasing drag. By reducing lift, they allow the aircraft to descend more rapidly or maintain a desired descent angle without accelerating. Flight spoilers are commonly used during descent, approach, and landing phases of flight to control the rate of descent and facilitate a controlled descent without increasing airspeed. Q8333. For which purpose may flight spoilers be used? A. Reduce the wing's lift upon landing. B. Increase the rate of descent without increasing aerodynamic drag. C. Aid in longitudinal balance when rolling an airplane into a turn. The correct answer is A. Flight spoilers are often deployed during the landing phase to assist in reducing the lift generated by the wings. By disrupting the smooth airflow over the wings, the spoilers create additional drag and reduce the effectiveness of the wing in generating lift. This helps the aircraft to maintain a higher sink rate and aids in the control of the descent during landing. The spoilers are typically retracted once the aircraft touches down to regain full lift and improve braking effectiveness. Q8336. Which is a purpose of ground spoilers? A. Reduce the wing's lift upon landing. B. Aid in rolling an airplane into a turn. C. Increase the rate of descent without gaining airspeed. The correct answer is A. Ground spoilers, also known as speed brakes or ground spoilers, are deployed on the wings of an aircraft during landing to assist in reducing the lift generated by the wings. When activated, the spoilers disrupt the smooth airflow over the wings, creating additional drag and reducing the effectiveness of the wing in generating lift. This helps the aircraft to maintain a higher sink rate and aids in the control of the descent during landing. Ground spoilers are typically retracted once the aircraft touches down to regain full lift and improve braking effectiveness on the ground.